Looking to add a touch of grown-up flair to your cookie decorating game? Or maybe you're just a coffee aficionado who loves experimenting in the kitchen. Either way, this royal icing recipe might just become your new favorite obsession. Let's get started. This recipe only requires 4 ingredients: meringue powder, coffee, powdered sugar, and vanilla. I highly recommend vanilla bean paste. Start by measuring out 1/4 cup of strongly brewed coffee. I'm a sucker for the rich and intense flavor of espresso, but you can also use drip coffee. However, I strongly advise against instant coffee, which will impart more bitterness than any real depth of flavor. We want to use the coffee while it's warm, but not hot. About 105 degrees Fahrenheit generally does the trick. If the coffee cools to room temperature, I just pop it in the microwave for about 10 to 13 seconds to warm it back up. Then, in a medium bowl or the bowl of a stand mixer, add 3 tablespoons of meringue powder along with the 1/4 cup of warm coffee. Whisk by hand until the meringue powder is fully dissolved and the mixture is frothy. Then add 3 cups of powdered sugar. I always give it a quick stir with the spatula before using my electric mixer to avoid making a huge mess. After that, mix on medium-high for about 2 to 3 minutes. If you're new to baking, it doesn't hurt to set a timer because we want to avoid over-mixing the icing, which can destabilize it and keep it from drying properly. As you continue mixing, the icing will become thicker, fluffier, and lighter in color. If you're using a stand mixer, be sure to use the paddle attachment. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste or vanilla extract and mix on medium until just combined. And that's it, a rich and delicious take on royal icing that's light enough in color to be whitened with a few drops of white gel food coloring, or dyed to any hue for all your decorating needs. Here's a pro tip. Use a misting spray bottle to thin your icing just a little bit at a time until it reaches your desired consistency. Then, happy decorating! I used my batch of coffee icing to decorate these coffee cookies, which are now coffee flavored from top to bottom. This icing also tastes amazing paired with my chocolate royal icing recipe, which you can get by tapping or clicking here.